Well, I may not get my phone today. So, adventures in FedEx shipping continues. FedEx has it! Yay! FedEx has my box! Alrighty, this is it right here. We're going to do the unboxing later on today. It looks good, looks good, looks good! Thank you very much, sir. Appreciate it. Okay, I just got this package here. Did I make a mistake? We're going to find out real quick. This is a camera. I will let you in on a little secret. This is a camera. We'll see what kind of camera it is. It's state of the art. You can't buy a better camera like this one at this point in time, but we'll see. And it's April the 19th, 2025. So let's take this opportunity to open up and see what's in the bag, in the box. And I'm covering up all the labels. It was delivered by FedEx, not to my address, to one of their offices, which took a miracle to get it there. Okay, I finally just got the cover off. I wanted to get the label. I didn't want to get the labels, so I cut it open. It's well wrapped, so hopefully it comes in a nice box. And we're continuing with this unboxing of this mysterious box. Let's see, how am I going to open this thing up? And why is this protruding out here? That's not a good sign, but let's hope it... Can't see nothing yet. Be right back. Okay, cutting the bubble wrap. I'm going to try and do the best I can to open it up, unwrap it. Okay, we got one layer off. I'm cutting the second layer. This costs a lot of money for me. You know, I'm not rich by any means. So we're unwrapping it slowly but surely. Let's see what I pop out. Alright, I got the plastic unsealed. It's a nice box. Is that a charger or something? I'm not sure. Well, it's got a nice reflection. Okay. I don't want you to know what the product is yet. This is on its back, so I'm gonna take it out of the material and flip it over. Be right back. What's in the box? We're gonna flip it over to the front. I did cut the two sides right there. Popped it open and flipped it out. So let's flip this thing open. Oh boy, this will never air if it's a horrible mistake. And this is an X200 Pro. Zeist. Co-engineered with Zeist. Okay, well, the cat's out of the bag. This is a VIVO. And this is not an iPhone, and it's not a, it is not, definitely not an iPhone, definitely not a Samsung. So why am I going with this phone? Well, there is a clue on the box, and you can see the round circle. What does that mean? Let's take it out the box and find out. Okay, one last thing. At the very top is a universal charger to charge the phone. Interesting. Multi-ports. That's what was protruding out from the bag, so let's hope that's safe. Let's hope that, well, I have universal chargers for around the world hidden somewhere from myself. Be right back. This is amazingly well boxed, as I saw in other videos, so let's see if I can just one-handedly open this thing up. Slowly but surely. And everyone was saying that this was well boxed, and it is. I can definitely attest to that. I may have to, oops. Thank you, FedEx, for bruising my box, punching a hole in it. I mean, not a hole, but a bump on the nice box. Well, if this works, it's goodbye Samsung and goodbye especially iPhone. It's always behind the times. It's never, every once in a while I have like one or two really good upgrades that nobody else has, but most of the time I don't know about the iPhone. I prefer the Samsung. Seems to have everything updated, and they both work the same, so it is what it is. However, this here has something that neither one of those cell phones have. And you probably guessed it. The reason I bought this, and since you probably already know why I bought this particular phone, it has the latest and best camera on the market so far. Even better than Samsung. Most definitely better than iPhone. And the VIVO X200 Pro Ultra should be hitting the market soon. Well, with these new tariffs, maybe not as soon as I'd like it to be. The reason I bought the this one is because I didn't know if we were ever going to get the Ultra back. But again, this is a 2025 phone. Now, if I can just pop off the lid. Give me a second, be right back. And again, I bought this because it has a fantastic camera, better than anybody else on the market at this time. So if I can just get that to work, I will be totally excited. Okay. Be right back. I want to pop that out. I don't want to take anything out yet. You know, uncover anything yet. All right. I guess you're supposed to pull up on the. Yeah, I guess so. And I guess this is all the information there on what I bought. Ha 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 ha. This is so unbelievable. And there's the camera. State of the art. Better than anything else anybody has on the market at this time. Alrighty. Be right back. I want to take off. I don't want to be showing that label. I just want to cover two things before I pull off this cover. This is an NFC. This is supposed to be the global model, not the Chinese model. So hopefully we at least get lucky in that. If not, that's okay. I'm after the camera on this phone, and it works. Both phones work really good. The Chinese version and the Chinese global. And I wanted to get this before this thing rose up in price to $2,000, or who knows what the idiot in the White House is going to do. Anything to make a buck from the American people. Sorry. Yeah. Wow. And it's amazing. I love this blue color. This is the color that I ordered. So far, so good. Wow. Check that out. And it's about the same size as my Samsung. I have the Samsung. Which one do I have? The Ultra. The 20 Ultra. I'm so excited I can't even think of the type of Samsung that I have. I'm going to be using both phones. And here are all the buttons. I'm going to have to charge this. Thank you for watching my unwrapping. Let me switch this over. Sorry about that. Oops, sorry. My hand's in the way. Yeah, this has been an exciting event for me. I really loved the idea of this camera with the bigger camera. So I'm wondering if I can attach another camera to it. A lens, a more powerful lens on this. And they did say it had like 3 or 4 lenses or cameras in this on this phone. Interesting. Oh, check that out. Yeah, buddy. And there's a... Okay, so let me see what else is in the box. The box is amazing. Very well put together. put that over there. We have the little key. Man. And we have something else in this box. Thought I saw something written on here. I guess scuff marks. Tiny little scuff marks. Oh, I guess this is the battery charger. Oh, yeah, it is. And it uses a regular charging system. So I'm going to be charging this. I'm not sure for how long. Wow. Charging cable. I guess this is the charging, the charger or the cable. Oops, sorry. Sorry for the mess. I don't have a lot of room. Oh, that's true. They did say that it came with a protector. I am impressed so far. This is the V2413 Quick Start Guide, the VIVO. And I promise you I will be reading that. And there's some other really great cases that you can buy online. Yeah, very nice. Very, very professional. Very, I don't see anything else in that box. Alrighty. Well, when I get this thing charged, or I may show you that I'm charging it, I will show you what it looks like. Thank you very much for watching my unboxing of my new VIVO. Let me get the name right. 2000 Pro. Phone. Goodbye, iPhone. The X200 Pro VIVO. And I just couldn't wait for the Ultra because I didn't know when that was going to come to the United States, which is supposed to be much better, or hopefully will be much better than this one or anything else on the market. Oh, I'm sorry. I am so sorry. I buried the star of the show. In all my excitement, I will let you know how this phone works, and and what it's like. But I'm going to charge it first right now, so that I may have that on here as I charge it. Alrighty, people, it's been a real pleasure to bring you this new phone. And I'm hoping that it lives up to all the all the claims and hype. I love that. I love that look. I'm probably going to get a clear protection system so that I can go ahead and because I love this finish. Phone protector. So, enjoy your day. I'm just, wow, I'm overcome. I'm overcome that it made it, and I'm hoping that it works. I will let you stay tuned, or maybe just let you guess. Keep on wondering if it actually worked. Enjoy yourself. I enjoyed my time with you. This is Regina Gutierrez signing off. Talk to you later. Bye-bye.